Hi guys, it's Jasmine back at it with another video. I am going to show you how I do my eyebrows, and I'm going to brush up my eyebrows so every hair is kind of going up because I'm going to do a line at the bottom. I'm going to start with the line at the bottom, and I'm just going to use the LA Girl brow pomade. I got it at CVS. I'm sure you can find it anyway, very affordable. I'm also using the Joa brow brush. Excuse that it's dirty, I use it. And I'm just going to take this pomade and just take a little bit on my brush, and I'm gonna go under right where my hairs stop, and I'm gonna draw a line. I like my eyebrows a little arched, so I'm gonna draw the line, and then I'm gonna draw one down. Don't worry how it looks in the beginning, and then I'm gonna brush my hairs down, and I'm gonna do a line at the top, and I'm just gonna start wherever that hair goes down, and I'm just gonna follow my arch. If you go like that, you can see, well, I like to lift my eyebrow up because I like an arch, so I like to kind of follow that shape, and I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna brush them back up to kind of soften the lines as much as I can. Just like that. And then I'm gonna take the same pomade and I'm just gonna fill it in, but with brush-like strokes. I don't go too close to the front because I want them to look natural as much as I can. Then I'm just gonna blend it all in like that and fill in any spots. As you can see, it looks like if I have two lines right here, I'm just gonna fill in there a little bit. And that is just how I do this. I'm gonna do the other eye, and then I'll be right back. Okay, now that I got my eyebrows filled in, I'm just gonna use the Benefit Gimme Brow gel. It has a little brown tint to it, and I go in at the front to fill in my hair so it looks more natural, like this. And then I'm gonna do the other side. Get it all the way down. Get all my hairs. I know they look big. We're gonna clean them up. I'm just gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape and Light Sand, and I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna use a regular concealer brush. It looks just like this, if you can see. Just a flat edge, flat tip, and I'm gonna take a little bit of that, and I'm gonna go under my eyebrow to clean them up a little, like so. And I put a little bit on the tail. I'm just gonna do the other side, and then I'll blend it out. I let it sit for a minute. Clean it up. Take a little bit. Back. Just gonna. And I'm just gonna just blend it in as much as I can. And then I just take my finger and I go over everything one more time. And there you guys have it. My little eyebrow tutorial on how I fill in my eyebrows. As you can see, they're not the same. My eyebrows never come out the same. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my next video.